Having a sweet tooth is one of the most detrimental things when it comes to losing weight. What is it that you can do to substitute your sweet tooth habits? It's as simple as bringing more fruits into the picture. The more whole foods, the more real foods that you will be eating in this diet, the more proactive and efficiently you will be able to lose weight. So whenever you feel you are having a sweet tooth, just grab one of your favorite pieces of your fruit. It can be apples, bananas, pears, peaches. Pick any of your favorite fruits, or you can even have a mix of them. So fruit contains a natural sugar which is fructose, and it will help you subside your sweet tooth. So if you're going with apples and bananas, you can also use 1 tablespoon or 2 of peanut butter as a dip, so that you can have a little bit of something salty to go with it. But try not to get carried away. Do not hold the open jar of peanut butter in your hand, because then you would easily go up to 4 to 5 teaspoons of butter. See, peanut butter is great, but it is very much calorie dense. For my night grazers out there, make sure that you have your refrigerator stocked with fruits. Just grab any of your favorite fruits when you're having a craving, and have 1 to 2 teaspoons of peanut butter as a dip, not more than that. Just have any of your favorite fruits whenever you have that